Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at how we can connect to this Linux Mint device from this Windows 11 device, and we'll be using XRDP or RDP or remote desktop. Now on this Linux Mint device, we'll need to install XRDP, and then we'll need the IP address, a username and a password. This is what we'll use on the Windows 11 device. Now let me open the terminal. And before I can begin the configurations, let's just check to see what version of Linux Mint we are running. We can use cat etc OS release. So we are running version 22.2 Zara. The first thing you want to do before you install XRDP, you can update your packages. You can say sudo update, put in your password. Okay, that's done. Now we'll go ahead and install XRDP. The command to install XRDP is sudo apt install XRDP. Y for yes. And that's done. Let's go ahead and check the status of the XRDP services. We can check the status of XRDP using systemctl status XRDP. Now we see that XRDP is active, running and enabled. That means that it should run whenever the machine is restarted or rebooted. Now if by any chance the services were not running or enabled, to start the services you can use sudo systemctl start XRDP. This should start the services. To enable the services, you just use enable here. And that's it. Okay, moving on. Now, if in case you have the UFW firewall activated or enabled, you'll need to open the port for XRDP. If I do systemctl status XRDP, you should be able to see what port it's listening on. So the port is 3389. That's where XRDP is going to be listening on, as it says here. So you'll need to open this port on your firewall. The command will be sudo UFW allow from any to any. Port is going to be 3389. Then you say port TCP. Now I'm not using the firewall, so I'm not going to run the command. The next thing we need is the IP address for this Linux Mint device. We'll say IP address. We see the IP is 172.16.1.103, and that's all we need. Now you might have to log out if you're going to be using the same username to log into this machine from the Windows 11 machine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log out here. So let's say log out. We'll go to the Windows 11 machine, and let me open the command prompt here. And I'll ping that IP just to make sure that the device is reachable. I'll ping 172.16.1.103. And sure enough, it's reachable. I'm sending and receiving packets. No packets lost. I'll close this and I will open remote desktop. I'll say remote desktop here. On the app, you need to put the IP address for the Linux Mint device, which was 172.16.1.103, and then click on connect. You'll get this warning if it's your first time connecting. You can say do not ask me again, click yes. Here you need a username and then a password that's configured on the Linux Mint device. Click OK. And we're connected. I can do W here to see users that are connected. So this is the session right here, XRDP session from the user Eno. You can also look at the logs. You can use journal CTL and then grab XRDP. And that should show you any logs related to that connection. So that's it for this video. That's how you can connect to a Linux Mint device remotely from a Windows 11 device using XRDP or remote desktop. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.